When we are rounding to 2 decimal places, it's pretty straightforward, but you do need to know a couple of pieces of information that will help you with your rounding. Once you know those, the process is largely straightforward. Okay, so let's start with question A, and I'll show you what I mean when we get to it. So first of all, the question is 6.0211. Okay, so first of all, what you really need to be able to do is to locate the second decimal place. Now here is the first decimal place. It is the place value immediately after the decimal point. So the first decimal place is here, and that means that the second decimal place is the second place value after the decimal point. So in this case, this is the second decimal place. So this is the target digit, if you like. Ultimately, we're going to round that number or that digit. So this kind of becomes a cutoff. But we do need this next digit to the right, and I call that the indicator digit. We need that digit to tell us how to round the target digit. Will the target digit stay a 2, or will it go up to a 3? And that brings me to the information you kind of need to know. So if the indicator digit, in this case right here, okay, if that digit is 0 to 4, that's small, right? 0 to 4 you can think of as small, and that means that the target digit, well, that will stay the same. However, if the indicator digit is 5 to 9, we can consider that large, big, and that means the target digit needs to go up by a value of 1. Let's have a look specifically at this question A. The indicator digit is 1, that's small, which means the 2 stays a 2. Once we've realized all of that, and once we understand all that, we don't need these guys anymore, because we only have to round to 2 decimal places. 1, 2. So the answer becomes 6.02. Okay, so let's try B and see how we go with that. So 765.09. So second decimal place is here. There is no indicator digit, okay? But because there's nothing there, we call that a 0. In this case, 0 is small, so the 9 stays a 9, and that's it. You just have to write that in. So 765.09. I was lucky that was a nice, easy one. Okay, so what about this next one over here? Lots of digits. Let's see how we go with it. So we got 80455.952. It's not that hard. Find your second decimal place, which is here. That's the cutoff then. This is the indicator. It's small because it's from 0 to 2. So this 5 stays a 5. And then we don't need 2 anymore. And there we have the answer right there. 8045595. The point in there as well. Okay, let's tidy up this board a little bit and finish off with questions D and E. So the next question, question D, is 0.66156. Okay, so lots of digits, great, but we only need the second one. So the second one is here. That's our target digit. Cutoff is there then. This is the indicator digit. It's small again, so this is the answer. So 0.66. And we're up to the last one, question E, 0.0118. The cutoff becomes here because this is the second decimal place. This digit is small, so the answer is 0.01, and that's it. It's all finished. And that's how it's done.